Unlocking the Secrets of the USA. Welcome to the United States of America, a land of diversity and beauty. From coast to coast, the USA offers a rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural wonders. Whether you're exploring the vibrant cities, hiking through breathtaking national parks, or immersing yourself in local traditions, there's something for everyone. The USA is a nation built by immigrants, and it's this diversity that makes it a unique and welcoming place. And don't forget about the delicious food. From classic comfort foods to international cuisine, you'll savor every bite. So, whether you're planning a visit or just want to learn more, join us on a journey through the USA. Explore the land of opportunity, freedom, and endless adventure. In this extended exploration of the United States of America, we invite you to embark on a journey through its rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes. From its foundation as a land of pioneers and visionaries to its struggles for independence and civil rights, the USA has a story like no other. Its cities are bustling hubs of creativity, innovation, and opportunity, each with its own unique character and charm. Beyond the cityscapes, the USA's natural beauty is awe-inspiring, from the majesty of the Grand Canyon to the tranquility of the Everglades. What truly makes the USA special is its people. A nation of immigrants, it's a place where cultures from all over the world come together, enriching the tapestry of American life. American innovation has shaped the world, from sending humans to the moon to pioneering technological advancements that have changed the way we live. And let's not forget the food. From classic American dishes to global cuisine, you'll experience a culinary journey like no other. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, a foodie, or someone looking for adventure, the USA is a land of endless possibilities. Join us in exploring the United States of America, a nation that continues to inspire and captivate the world.